the first 24 hours after installing an automatic bus wash system. What really happened in the first 24 hours after an automatic bus wash system goes live? Most transport operators spend months evaluating solutions, comparing suppliers, calculating budgets, and discussing operational benefits. But few people talk about what it's actually like on day one. And surprisingly, that's often where the biggest mindset shift happens. Imagine arriving at your depot on the first morning after installation. The equipment is ready. Your team is curious. Managers are watching closely. The first bus enters the wash bay, and within a moment, something becomes clear. The process is different, not because the vehicle gets cleaned. That's aesthetic. The difference is how smoothly everything begins to flow. Tasks that previously required coordination, supervision, and multiple workers suddenly become more predictable. As more vehicles move through the system, another realization appears. The people feel less chaotic. There are fewer delays, less waiting, less pressure on staff. Instead of reacting to operational issues throughout the day, managers can focus on monitoring performance and planning improvement. For many companies, this is the first time they see vehicle washing operating as a system rather than a daily challenge. But perhaps the most surprising change is not operational at all. It is psychological. Teams quickly gain confidence because the process is consistent. Drivers notice vehicles are cleaned to the same standard. Supervisors spend less time managing repetitive tasks. Everyone begins to understand that automation is not replacing people. It's helping people work more effectively. By the end of the day, transport operators often start seeing something bigger than clean the buses. They see potential. They see how this system can support future fleet growth. They see how a more efficient process can reduce pressure during peak hours. More importantly, they begin to understand that modern infrastructure is not an expense. It is a foundation for scaling operation. At Go&Go, we have seen this transformation happen across different fleet environments, from tourism coaches and city buses to commercial transport operation. The first 24 hours are often when companies realize they didn't simply purchase a machine, they invested in a smarter way of operating. Now imagine what happened after 24 days, 24 weeks, or even 24 months of continuous efficiency gain. This is where the real value begins to multiply. If you're ready to experience what modern tip-off operation look like from day one, contact Go&Go today. Discover how our automatic bus wash system can help your business reduce operational pressure, improve efficiency, and build a stronger foundation for long-term growth.